Hiya, Ben here from the Maths Centre for Excellence. Welcome to episode 3 of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? Thanks for joining us again. What you need to do first is think of two one-digit numbers, and they have to be different numbers. So I'm going to pick a 2 and a 1, but you can pick any numbers you want between 1 and 9 and just make sure they're different numbers. So you might have picked 9 and 8, so you might have 98. Then what you need to do is reverse those numbers. So I've got 21 and 12. Once you reverse them, take away the little number from the big number. So I will have 9. You'll have a different number. And just because I've used this example, just in case anyone has used a 2 and a 1, you're going to put a little 0 here just to represent that there is nothing there. Then what you need to do is reverse this number. So you have 90, and you'll add these two numbers together. And everybody's answer should be 99. Let us know if it worked for you. Let us know if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you at the next one.